Assalamualaikum students of class 2, welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 2 maths. I need you to open your books to page number 6. This activity here says that look at the abacus and fill in the empty boxes. The green beads represent the tens and the red ones represent ones. So if you start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 and 2. Actually, let me see if it's 8 or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8. So 8 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, it makes 80. 8 tens make 80 plus 2 ones 2. So this whole value makes 82. And for this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 6 ones as well, and 6 tens plus 6 ones, it makes 60 plus 6, which makes 66 written here, and 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. So it makes 2 tens plus 9 ones, and it makes 90. Sorry, 2 tens makes 20 plus 9 ones, 29. And for this one here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7, and 97. 9 tens plus 7 ones, it makes 9 tens makes 90 plus 7, it makes 97 here. And this activity is for your homework. I mean, you have to write them in ascending or descending order. If you find them difficult, leave a comment and I'll get to that. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.